How to join a Roblox group. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how you can join a group on Roblox. So if you're also looking on to join a group in Roblox, in this video, we are going to show you how you can do it. So let's just get started with the video. But before that, hit that like button and subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any latest updates from our channel. So for that, you can directly head over and open up roblox.com, and you will be seeing this interface on your screen once you are logged in. After you have logged in into your account, you can go ahead and click on the menu bar at the top left corner of this interface and go ahead and select the option called communities, which is right below thread. So here you will be finding different groups available, different communities available. If you're interested in joining any of them, you can just go ahead and click on join from there. Otherwise, you can also create up your own community. So for that, you just need to enter up your name for your community and also describe your community or group. And after you have done that, you can select up the picture for your group as well. And there is also settings available, like anyone can join and manual approval. If you select manual approval, you need to approve them. But if you select anyone can join, you don't need to approve them. And that is it. After that, click create and your group should be created. And that is also one of the methods you can join a Roblox group. So for now, you can follow up this method to join a Roblox group by following up this method, which is super easy. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.